Welcome back everyone. It's time for another monthly workshop walk around. Okay, so we'll start with the 56 right hand drive UK Oval that's coming for a full restoration. I've been stripping this down, as you can see with all the parts in the background. I've bagged and tagged everything and need to get the windows out and the headliner out, and then we can lift the body off the floor. But for a UK car, it's just a real nice car. The original hands are nice, the original channels quite nice on the inside. The outside's had some work, and the cross members are going to need some work. Right and down there, both sides. That side's slightly worse. Same on the edge of the corners of the luggage tray. I need some repairs, but overall looks really nice. Quarters have had some repairs at the back, but they haven't had full panels put in them, and the inner body mounts and bumper hangers are all nice. I mean, it's had some repairs, which they all haven't over the years, and they're going to need tidying up to get it up to sort of standards we like to give back. Yes, a real nice car. I've enjoyed stripping it down. It's come apart nice. Got another video coming out on YouTube of this first stage of this restoration in the next couple of days. And I've also got the floor plans out of Rob's chassis. The one was seam welded, the other one was the original, and the seam welded replacement was an absolute pain in the arse to get out. But got it out in the end, and that side's quite nice, but that side needs repair and the palings out, and they both need repairs underneath on the bottom plates where they're front of the jar mounts. Yeah, other than that, it's a nice pan. Put two new rear cross members on there, and the new pans that Rob's got. Get that painted. So another series on that one. Keep your eyes peeled for that. When Richard's back on holiday in another week or so, we'll be getting back onto Collins. So looking forward to getting that painted underneath and another built back up. And then Colin's going to be having that back to finish himself. We've got the Razor in here that is pretty much done. So Rich repaired the front and the back of the sills on both sides of this, and I painted it. Did double other suede on both sides. Yes, it's a real cool car this. Happily own this. Nice car. Matt's gear there. We are waiting for Matt to finish building his chassis up, and then he's going to be bringing that over, and we'll help him lift the body on to his chassis, and he'll be taking it away to finish the rebuild. And the sun's out. That. Yeah, this is our shop projects now. We ain't too sure what we're doing with this yet. That's with Rich when he gets back his holiday. But yeah, we're going to do a YouTube series on that as well. So we're trying to grow the YouTube channel. So we'll be having a series on that showing the rest of the metalwork, paintwork and the rebuild, and that'll be the full start to finish job. Just not too sure exactly how we're doing it. So keep your eyes peeled for that one as well. And if you've got any questions or comments, drop them below. If anything you want to see in particular, let me know. Yeah, liking, subscribing, commenting, all that stuff really helps us grow the channel, which we are trying to do at the minute. So yeah, if you don't mind doing that, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.